Hi, my name is Wes Ely, and I'm an intensivist in the United States at Vanderbilt University. I have the privilege of working with 90 people here in research in my Critical Illness, Brain Dysfunction, and Survivorship Center, the CIBS Center, CIBS. What I want to leave you with tonight is that we have learned over the past 15 to 20 years in critical care research, in around 35 to 40 New England Journal, Lancet, and JAMA papers, that we got a bit off track years ago in heavily sedating patients, immobilizing them, taking away their humanness, if you will, so that we could provide them with severe, intense forms of life support on the ventilator, on vasopressors, etc. In providing them those elements of life support to get them into survival, we became good ICUs, but we didn't become great ICUs. Great ICUs don't just provide survival, they provide the ability for the person to survive with complete recovery or nearly complete recovery. That is, without having profound elements of post-intensive care syndrome or the PICS syndrome. PICS is comprised of acute brain injury that lasts into or manifests itself months and years later as a dementia, an acquired dementia, and by body injury, muscle and nerve disease, neck down. And what we've learned is that if you put together 35 to 40 New England Journal papers into what's now called the A2F bundle, the ABCDEF bundle, you can actually reduce death, reduce length of stay in the ICU and the hospital. You can reduce time on the ventilator, time in delirium and coma, and improve the likelihood that the person will go on to lead a rewarding, fulfilling, and high quality of life after critical illness. The ICU Liberation Program of the Society of Critical Care Medicine has been extremely helpful at showing hundreds of hospitals around the world how to do this, how to implement it. And we now actually even have a course where you can learn more about it. But go to our website, icudelirium.org, see what you can learn there, and let us know how we can be of help to you in implementing these sorts of quality improvement initiatives in your own ICU. To, in the end, leave your patients with not just good care, but great care. That is, with less oversedation, earlier mobilization, more eye contact, and talking to them with their family members present so that they're not delirious and they're able to tell us what matters the most and help us get to that recovery place that they want in their lives. Thank you so much for your time and attention. It's been my privilege.